Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's Monday, February 1st. Incredible that January is gone, but quite a wild ride we've had. So the S&P 500 this morning is actually gapping up again into that 108 mark, a very significant number as determined by all this support and resistance that got broken and then used as resistance on a higher time frame on the S&P. The 15-minute chart, as we just march up to the declining 100 MA here. It's also about a 50% retracement from the last swing high all the way down to this 107.29 mark, and a higher time frame even than that, just to keep this real here, is again, just to hold that in context. So it's a gap up, but again, just like these gaps up back here, still in context of a low base. So it doesn't mean we can't see further selling. And again, when you see this kind of action on a daily chart, where you had a big sell-off and we were watching this consolidate, you had to always take that with a grain of salt, looking for a run-up into the 112 mark. We didn't get that yet, of course. In fact, we saw further selling below the 108 mark, right down to the next logical place of support, which was that perfect gap fill that we had talked about. So 107 area. Very good thing to watch for support. Now it's been tested on pretty good sized volume in here, and we'll again have to simply wait for a swing high that comes in so we can mark the sentiment that doesn't look like a low base. So interesting. There's a lot of things coming out in the news that I almost loathe to talk about, but wow. So Obama unveiled a $3.83 trillion budget with massive deficits, and $3.83 trillion is almost incomprehensible. I calculated that light travels about 5 trillion miles in a whole year. So at 186,000 miles per second, and just for reference, that's a lot of money. I don't know where we're going to get it, or where it's going to get taken from, or what that's going to do. But it's difficult to spend money you don't have, and then pay back the interest even. So not being the doomsday guy, just looking at what it is for what it is and trying to trade with it. And we'll have to definitely see how this gap fills here. And that'll be an interesting morning to watch out for. So always take apart the tick in the trend and the VIX, especially on a day like today, and we'll see what happens with all this news. Talk to you soon, everybody.